Every second on the road can make the difference between a peaceful drive and a stressful situation. That is why having the best dash cams is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. In this video, we are revealing our top 5 picks for the best dash cams available today, combining top-tier video quality, smart features, and robust reliability. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. OBDBK K2 Pro Car Dash Cam. The OBDBK K2 Pro Car Dash Cam takes a different approach by integrating dash cam features with in-car entertainment and smart systems. Equipped with a large 11.3-inch touchscreen, it not only records in 4K resolution but also functions as a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto system. This multifunction design is perfect for those who want a smart dashboard solution with added safety features. It offers dual-lens recording, capturing video at 4K on the front and full high definition on the rear. The ultra-wide screen enables split-view functionality so you can monitor both camera feeds at the same time. The video is enhanced through automatic brightness adjustments and wide dynamic range, which improves clarity in various lighting conditions. This unit also provides GPS navigation, route tracking, and real-time speed data. The GPS function, combined with a large display, allows for detailed journey playback and better route awareness. Its built-in high-fidelity audio system offers several connection modes, Bluetooth, FM, or AUX, making it easy to stream music or calls with clarity. Installation is straightforward, and the interface is intuitive. Number 4. ASDOM M550 Pro Dash Cam. The ASDOM M550 Pro Dash Cam brings together high-end video quality, advanced wireless technology, and multi-channel versatility for drivers who want it all. It features 3-channel recording options that include combinations of front, rear, and interior views. With ultra-high-definition 4K video on the front and full high-definition on secondary channels, you are assured of complete road coverage from every angle. A key strength is its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi capability. This makes the file transfer process incredibly fast, so downloading large video clips for review or sharing becomes quick and painless. This upgraded Wi-Fi is up to 6 times faster than traditional 2.4 GHz models, which is a major time saver in emergencies. Number 3. DDPI Z50 Pro Dash Cam. The DDPI Z50 Pro is a standout option for those looking for premium features packed into a compact body. This dual-channel dash cam supports both front and rear video recording, offering exceptional 4K resolution for the front camera and full high definition for the rear. Every detail, from traffic signs to license plates, is rendered clearly, even at night, thanks to advanced Night Vis 2.0 and AI-powered image processing. Number 2. 70mm Pro Plus A500S Dash Cam. The 70mm Dash Cam Pro Plus A500S delivers a smart and efficient recording system for those who need essential coverage without compromising quality. With its 1944 pixel resolution, the footage is impressively sharp, ensuring that crucial details like road signs and license plates are clearly captured. It is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful dash cam that does its job quietly and reliably. This camera is especially appreciated for its advanced driver assistance system. The built-in ADAS provides real-time alerts such as lane departure warnings and forward collision signals. Number 1. VIOFO N5 Dash Cam. The VIOFO N5 Dash Cam sets the benchmark in the dash cam world with its exceptional all-around performance. Designed to deliver complete 360-degree coverage, this advanced dash cam features 4 separate 160-degree cameras that ensure no blind spot is left behind. It is ideal for those who prioritize total vehicle awareness, whether you are driving alone, carrying passengers, or managing a fleet. One of the standout features is its remarkable Starvis 2 infrared night vision system, allowing crystal-clear captures even in low-light conditions. Whether it is a late-night drive or a poorly lit parking lot, this cam consistently delivers sharp images, making license plates and vehicle details visible when they matter most. The interior camera adds an extra layer of security, especially for rideshare drivers or families concerned about cabin safety. Additionally, VIOFO N5 supports up to 512GB memory cards, ensuring hours of uninterrupted video storage without overwriting vital footage. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.